The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the Moto G7 Optimo Maxx for straight talk. So this is the Moto G7 Power for straight talk, but with a different name, same specs and stuff like that. So this is model number XT1955DL. This recently showed on Straight Talk's website, so there's the phone. It has a notch, your power button's on the right side, your volume button's also on the right side. Camera on the front, earpiece. Your screen there, you have a Motorola logo on the front there, so that's cool. On the right side of the phone, you guys have, like I said, your volume button and your power button there. On the back of the Moto G7 Optimo Maxx, you guys have a camera flash, and your fingerprint sensor right there. And you have your tri-frame button right there on the back. And it looks like it has like a glossy back to it there, so yeah. So the Moto G7 Optimo Maxx is 4G LTE, of course. Wi-Fi, has a 6.2-inch HD plus display. That is a 19:9 screen ratio, 1570 by 720 pixels at 270 ppm. There's your dimensions. Usage time up to 3 days. 3 gigs of RAM, 32 GB of storage. 12 megapixel rear-facing camera, rear-face detection, and EIS, LED flash, and an 8 megapixel front-facing camera. So that is a win. It says it's designed to impress, built to create. Secure your device with Face Unlock. The phone will recognize your stored face and unlock the device. Never mind remembering the passcode. Just touch the fingerprint reader to wake up and unlock your phone instantly. Switch between apps by using gestures instead of buttons. Swipe up, swipe right, swipe left, respond, and a tap will suggested smart replies. Turn off frequent mode. Dismiss notifications. Slow motion video, time-lapse video, hyperlapse video, snap-in video recording, YouTube live stream. So this one has a lot of features on it, and y'all guys can just find in 3 payment options. If you guys have great credit, it's $10.96 a month for 24 months. If you guys are building credit, it's $24.60 a month for 15 months. Or the full retail price is $179.99, and I suggest you guys buy the same for retail at $179.99, so not too bad. This is a budget phone, so do keep it in mind. Specs on this phone are pretty good. So there's the maxes there. The Moto G7 Optimo Maxx is 198 grams, has a 5,000 mAh battery. It's built into the phone, so battery is not removable. 3 days of talk time. Some bedtime's probably around, I don't know. Has 4G LTE. What you guys get in the box is the Moto G7 Optimo Maxx, the charger, the battery is embedded in the phone. You guys also get activation card, services guide, and quick start guide there. It says the service plan is required for activation. Plans are not returnable or refundable. Transfer device app available to new stock from your old phone to your new phone. Text XT1955DL to 611-611 for mobile tutorials. The Moto G7 Optimo Maxx has Android Pie, 3 gigs of RAM, 32 GB of storage. It has a micro SD card slot up to 512 watts. Camera, do more with your camera by adding creative. Do more with your camera by adding creativity and depth to photos with the advanced camera system. Go even further with 5 hours for stunning clarity that automatically restores the default that restores the details of images. The 12 megapixel camera with face detection autofocus lets you focus in on the subject in the blink of an eye. Has a 15-watt triple power charger. Get 9 hours of usage time with just 15 minutes of charge. Max station display. Immerse yourself with ultraviolet views on a 6.2-inch HD plus display, featuring a 19:9 aspect ratio. So there you guys have it. The Moto G7 Optimo Maxx is now available at Straight Talk. for $199.99 full retail price. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys will smile a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.